July is a busy time in gardens across Australia. Northern gardeners are harvesting a steady supply of healthy greens, while for gardeners down south, it's time to prune and plant deciduous trees, shrubs and perennials. Winter is a popular time of year to prune deciduous fruit trees because they're in their winter dormancy and they're much easier to prune without all that foliage. I'm at the Garden of St Earth in Blackwood in the Espalier orchard to show you the benefits of both summer and winter pruning. Winter fruit tree pruning actually stimulates growth, while summer pruning restricts it. What this means is that winter is the right time to prune to achieve a desired shape or to encourage new growth, but once trees reach the correct proportions for your garden, winter pruning should only be for maintenance and fruit reduction only. Roses, on the other hand, love being pruned in winter because you want to encourage a flush of wonderful new growth in spring and summer to promote flowering. Bare root plants are a great way to fill your garden for a fraction of the cost, and there are several different varieties available now. You can look for strawberry runners, like these, rhubarb crowns, asparagus crowns, and of course, bare root roses and fruit trees. Don't be nervous about planting them. It's easier than you think. Simply soak in seaweed solution prior to planting. Dig a hole and backfill. Place on the mound, stake if necessary, and backfill and water in. Don't overwater while dormant, especially during rainy seasons. Wait until spring when the weather warms. Bare root roses are also available now and are just as simple to plant. And if you'd like to know more about what to do in your growing zone this month, check the Diggers website for more details.